Are you ready to revolutionize your workflow? Imagine having tools that work smarter, not harder. Today, we're exploring 5 amazing AI tools. These tools can enhance your productivity, boost creativity, and streamline your work. Let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT. This AI model from OpenAI can help with communication. Need to write an email quickly? ChatGPT can draft it in seconds. It understands context and provides coherent responses. It's like having a personal assistant available 24/7. Next, we have Jasper AI. This tool is perfect for content creators. Jasper generates high-quality text for blogs, ads, and more. Imagine writing a full article in minutes. Its natural language processing makes your content engaging and relevant. Say goodbye to writer's block. Now, let's talk about MidJourney. This AI tool creates stunning visuals. Whether you need images for social media or presentations, MidJourney has you covered. Simply input your ideas, and watch it generate artwork in real time. Creativity meets technology here. Another powerful tool is Synthesia. This AI offers video creation with ease. Let's say you want to create a training video. Simply write your script, choose an avatar, and Synthesia brings it to life. No need for cameras or studios. Finally, we have Grammarly. This tool helps refine your writing. It checks grammar, punctuation, and clarity. With Grammarly, your emails and reports will always look professional. It's like having an editor right by your side. To recap, we discussed 5 incredible AI tools: ChatGPT, Jasper AI, MidJourney, Synthesia, and Grammarly. Each tool simplifies a task, boosts productivity, and unleashes creativity. The future of work is here, and these tools are at the forefront. Ready to jump in? Try these AI tools today and transform your workflow. Check out the links below to get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.